Take a ride in the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.